Good morning, everybody. Well, afternoon nearly now. Um, I'm here at the River Averon. I've got the trangier on for a pot of coffee, some homemade steak and potato soup, and it's coming on for a little bit of rain, but not too bad. I have been absent since the summer. This is correct. I've just been so much other stuff going on in my life that videoing has taken a back seat. But I've still been out and about, still been doing things, just not filming much, mainly because the weather's been so bad since really since October. So really this is just a wee update onto the channel. Just to say that I am here, I will be back, I haven't gone away, I'm not abandoning it. I will be videoing more stuff. I've got some exciting stuff planned for this year, including another walk with Kerry and the gang. Shout out to Drunk on Wanderlust. And I will be doing more of the Highlands and more stuff like this. So that's what I am, that's what I'm doing, and just a wee tweak that I will become much more video focused this year. So I ain't dead, as Granny Weatherwax once said.